my review of the YT Capra AL1. It's a bit of a mouthful. Let's see. First I'm going to pay for my parking. Yeah, I've had the bike for about 6 months now. It's pretty good. Definitely a bit more pricey than my hardtail that I bought, but yeah, let's go through some of the pros and cons. I do some riding on the Frosted Dean. It's a decently sunny day, so yeah, hopefully get some good laps in. Alright, let's get on with our review. Yeah, climbing wise, I found it to be decent. It's on the heavier side, so it's not like a lightweight carbon one, but yeah, for the most part, it climbs fairly well. It's my first bike with a drop post on, so I'm not complaining. Yeah, that's good. It's definitely weightier and gives you more confidence on the downhill sections and the other bits I find. It corners pretty smoothly. I think the Continental tyres that came with it are pretty decent at keeping traction. So I've ridden it for 6 months or so. The SRAM DB8s do a decent job. Definitely good bang for your buck, I'd say. If it was weighty, you'd definitely pick up speed. But overall, it's decent. I enjoy riding it. There we go. Red drop. Done. Hey, happy with that. Yeah, as I said, it's a good bike. Did make a funny noise, like a squeaky fart balloon kind of noise when I first rode it. It seems to have settled in a bit more and that doesn't make as strange noises, but yeah. First full run, nice. I'll see those drops probably look very small on camera, but it's a lot more intimidating in real life. video. I think I'm done. Pretty fucking tired. Hope you enjoyed this review and this other video. And if you got this far, any likes and subs are appreciated. Yeah, thanks for following on with this mountain bike journey. Hope you have a good one. See you next one.